Hey everyone, welcome back to TON Orbital. I'm Tonyo, and today we're diving into Tonstakers, the biggest liquid staking protocol on TON. In this video, I'll show you how to stake your TON, earn rewards, and even use your staked assets in DeFi while still collecting staking rewards. Staking is how proof-of-stake blockchains like TON, Ethereum, and Solana secure transactions. Validators lock up their TON, process transactions, and create new blocks. In return, they earn staking rewards. Traditional staking locks up your tokens for a period of time, and that's where liquid staking comes in. With liquid staking on Tonstakers, you can stake your TON while keeping it liquid by receiving tsTON, a liquid staking token, LST, that represents your share in the staking pool. Unlike traditional staking, you can still use tsTON in DeFi protocols to earn extra rewards. So you're not just earning staking rewards, you're also putting your staked assets to work elsewhere at the same time. Now let's start staking. First, we need to go to the Tonstakers website and click the Stake Now button. If you prefer, you can use their Telegram mini app instead. Then we will connect our wallet and approve the sync. The minimum stake is 1 TON, so make sure you have at least a little more than that to cover the fees. Before proceeding with staking, let's understand the details on this page. The You Get section tells us how much tsTON we will receive after staking our TON. The exchange rate shows the current conversion between TON and tsTON. The blockchain fee is the estimated cost of the staking transaction. The historical APY, annual percentage yield, is the average annual return based on the past 30 days of staking rewards. But keep in mind that this can change over time. The available to stake section displays how much TON we have ready for staking. Finally, the APY section highlights the potential earnings from staking alone and additional rewards we can generate by using tsTON in DeFi applications. Now we just need to enter the amount of TON we want to stake. Here we will stake 10 TON, review the details, hit the stake button, and approve the transaction in our wallet. Once staking is complete, a panel will pop up, giving us the option to use our tsTON in other protocols for extra rewards, or we can navigate to the Earn section on the main page and choose from there. Before we put tsTON to work in DeFi, let's go over how staking rewards work in Tonstakers. Unlike liquidity rewards that require manual claiming in some protocols that you might have worked with, staking rewards are automatically reflected in the increasing value of tsTON. For example, if 1 tsTON is worth 1.05 TON today, after a year it may be worth 1.1 TON. There's no rewards panel or claim button because the staking rewards are automatically reflected in the increasing value of tsTON to TON after each validation cycle. We have the option to choose between EVA, Dedust, and STON. If we pick EVA, to get the full APY, we would need to supply tsTON, borrow TON, and restake the borrowed amount. Another option is to provide liquidity on Dedust or STON. Here we'll select Dedust since it offers the highest APR. If you're not familiar with liquidity pools or how to provide liquidity on Dedust, check out our full Dedust guide. Not only the value of tsTON is increasing relative to TON, but we're also earning rewards from our liquidity provision. Now we are going to claim our liquidity rewards and withdraw our collateral. If you have any questions or if anything seems unclear, feel free to drop them in the comments. We'll be happy to answer and help you out. Now let's head back to Tonstakers and unstake our TON. So we need to go to the Unstake section, and we must have tsTON in our wallet to proceed. Once we have it, we can specify the amount to withdraw. Here we want to unstake all of our deposited TON, so we'll hit the max button. Under the Unstake Type section, we can either wait for the standard unstaking process, which provides the best rate, or choose Instant Unstake, which offers a slightly worse rate. However, Instant Unstake is not always available. It only works if there's enough liquidity in the pool. When you stake TON, it enters the Tonstakers pool. At the start of each validation cycle, all TON in the pool is sent to validators for staking, and they return it with rewards. Once staked, TON cannot be added or removed until the cycle ends. Newly deposited TON remains in the pool as liquidity for instant withdrawals and won't start staking until the next cycle. Instant unstaking is only possible if the pool has enough liquidity. Otherwise, you'll need to wait for new deposits or use regular unstaking, which processes at the end of the cycle. After choosing Instant Unstake, all that's left is to hit the Unstake button and approve the transaction in our wallet. And that's it, we have successfully received our TON. Tonstakers also has a token section where you can stake different tokens. Right now, the only option is Punk, a GameFi utility token used in the Punk City ecosystem. And that's it. If you're looking for an easy way to stake TON while keeping your assets liquid, Tonstakers is a great option. But remember, like any DeFi platform, there are risks. Always do your own research and stake responsibly. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for updates. Stay informed with the latest TON news by following us on Telegram and Twitter. Links are in the description. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.